Hello to all of my credit repair followers. Once again, it is your boy, it's your friend, it's the credit doctor, Angelo McCutcheon, coming to you with another YouTube video on the credit repair process. And I want to thank all of you guys who have been watching my videos, the last few videos I did as I've started a new journey on this YouTube, getting back to educating people on the credit repair process. And listen, my motto is always, you do not have to live with bad credit, but there is something you can do about it. And of course, again, my name is Angelo McCutcheon, known as the Credit Doctor, the founder of my company and CEO of the Faithful Credit Group, LLC. We've been helping people repair their credit for over 15 years. And so we've helped a lot of people, no matter what walk of life they're in, from school teacher to police officer to doctors, whoever they may be, who've struggled with bad credit. We've been able to counsel them, educate them on how to maintain good credit and all of that good stuff. And so we're just bringing these videos to you guys so that we can educate you guys and at least give you some information so you can start the journey on your own of cleaning up your credit. And of course, I'm not a lawyer, so I don't give out legal advice in any of these matters. If you need legal advice, you would have to seek out a consumer lawyer in that area. I don't give out legal advice. All the information I give you is for educational purposes only. But I truly believe that if you use the information, it can help you greatly in repairing your credit. And of course, in these short videos that I give you and whatever subject I talk about, evidently, I can't give you all the information that I have because it would take me hours to do a video. So I give you enough that I hope would inspire you to continue your research on how to clean up your credit, how to deal with debt collectors, how to deal with the credit bureaus, things like that. And of course, if you're watching this and you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button right there. The subscribe button, hit the like button as well. So every time we go live, you'll get the notice. And hopefully pretty soon you guys will be coming on to talk to me in the chat. But we're still growing our channel. We're still growing it. And hopefully you guys will connect with us down the road and let us know if the information that we're giving you is very helpful. And of course, we do have a podcast that we do as well. You can find that on Spotify, iTunes, called The Credit Repair Show with your host, Angelo McCutcheon. I've got over 40 episodes that we've done, close to 5,000 downloads. So it's very effective. We get a lot of responses from that as well. If you want to follow us on Facebook or Instagram, the description will always be below this video. We'll put it in there. So by the time you're watching this as a replay, it shall be in the description. Follow us, hit us up, let us know how we're doing, what things that you would like for us to talk about, and we will gladly get into that information. All right, so today we're going to be talking about, can I do online credit disputes? Can I dispute with the credit bureaus online? Now, many credit repair people, companies, experts, whatever you want to call them, and I see a lot of those videos that they will tell you, never, ever, ever do online disputes. Never, ever do online disputes. Because number one, you're going to lose your right to sue. And the question is that correct? Well, I'm going to submit to you that is not correct based on the information that they're giving you. I don't believe they're giving you the correct information. Now you're talking to someone who have been doing this for over 15 years now, and I have done countless online disputes. I've got countless, on behalf of our clients, negative items deleted from people's credit report that were inaccurate, of course, that were unverifiable or incomplete. Right? We don't remove positive things or things that reported accurate, right? But if it's inaccurate, if it's incomplete, then yeah, we dispute that, and we dispute it online. I've done hundreds of online disputes, and I am someone who I'm going to talk about maybe in another video who works with a law firms, and we filed hundreds of lawsuits against debt collectors and credit bureaus after we've done online disputes, and our attorneys have won a whole lot of those cases. So where did this idea come from that you should never ever do online disputes? Never, stay away from online disputes. People who tell you to do online disputes, they're wrong. They just wrong. They shouldn't be telling you to do online disputes. But let's kind of manage that a little bit. When I talk about doing online disputes compared to what other credit people saying don't do online disputes, one thing I notice is that all my online disputes is directly with the credit bureaus. So I will go to Experian.com website to do disputes. I will go to TransUnion. .com, or I will have my clients go to transunion.com to do disputes, Equifax.com to do disputes, right? And again, well, Equifax for some reason make their site kind of tough and hard in a lot of areas, but this is where I go to. Now, I don't do third party. I don't go through third parties to do disputes. I've never gone through third parties. So I've never gone through Credit Karma to do a dispute. I've never gone to Credit Score or Credit Sense or Identity IQ or anything like that to do disputes. I've always done my disputes directly with the credit bureau's website. So when we're counseling and we're encouraging, we're giving consultation with our clients, we take them to Experian.com. We take them to TransUnion.com. We take them to Equifax.com, and we go through the process of disputing. If something is inaccurate and they say it's inaccurate or unverifiable, or they don't believe it's just accurate, then, hey, they file the disputes. But the idea of people saying, or credit repair people saying, never, ever, ever do online disputes, stay away from that. I believe it just comes from hearing other people say it and not know why they're saying it. Or they may hear some guru or somebody who calls them guru say, stay away from that, without really giving them the facts. Now, I would say stay away from doing online disputes from third-party sources, the Credit Karma, Identity IQ, Score Sense, or any one of those third-party sources. Now, they might have in their language, I'm not sure, right, that if you do a dispute through us, through them, that you can't sue. They might have that in there. I don't know. I never looked at it. But I know for a fact that you can dispute online with Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. If you go directly to their site, you can dispute them. And if you see violations, you can sue them after you do disputes online if they don't correct the inaccurate information. You're not suing them for accurate information. You're suing them for inaccurate information and them not fixing it or them violating the FCR or the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, either one of those two. So it does not matter if you're doing online disputes directly from their websites, the credit bureau's website. It does not matter. You can do it. Comes back, they don't fix it, you find a violation, you can sue them. Go to the consumer attorney and you can actually sue them. Yes, you can. So I see this narrative all like many credit repair people or companies I see on YouTube a lot when they get to the idea of can you sue? Can you do disputes online? And all the ones I saw, I'm sure there's probably some out there that don't believe that, but the majority of them that I saw say never ever do online disputes, never ever do online disputes. And I'm saying to you guys that that's inaccurate, coming from someone who's been doing it for 15 years. Online dispute, getting items deleted through online disputes, and then having our attorneys file a lawsuit when the item isn't corrected and is still reporting inaccurate information after we ask them to fix it or to change it. So that idea of don't do online disputes, I'm shooting that down right now as that is not accurate information if it is not totally explained the right way. Again, I would encourage everyone not to do online disputes through third-party sources, the Credit Karma, Score Sense, Identity IQ, or any one of those, et cetera, right? Don't do, and I'm not saying even if you do that, you'll lose your ability to, because I don't know that language, but I know for a fact that you can do online disputes at creditkarma.com that your clients can do online disputes. Let me put you like that. Your clients can do online disputes through Experian.com website, TransUnion.com website, because they do have areas where you can dispute inaccurate information, or Equifax.com. So never let nobody. Now, is it the best way to do disputes? By far, no, it's not the best way to do it. But you can get items deleted. I've gotten hundreds of items deleted working with our clients on online disputes. Hundreds of negative items that were inaccurate or incomplete or unverifiable deleted. And again, that's what we're talking about: inaccurate, unverifiable, or incomplete information being reported on your client's credit report. Those do. So now, of course, letters are the best way to do it, and we do have a video. If not, we're going to be doing a video on what type of letter. I think I did a video on what type of letters you should be sending, who you should be sending the letters to first, and all that good stuff. But just the idea of should you, so if you hear that, if you search around and you hear that after watching this video, somebody say, never ever do online disputes because you lose your right to sue, this, and that, you can look at them like, I believe you're wrong. Or tag me in their video, or say, you need to watch this video with the credit doctor. Because I'm telling you from firsthand, not what I'm guessing, not what somebody told me. I'm telling you what I've been doing the last 15 years, helping my clients, taking them to those websites and saying, hey, is this accurate? No, then we're going to dispute it. Is this accurate? No, then we're going to dispute it online. And some items were deleted, some items were not deleted. But then we were able to follow some of them up with letters. But then if they didn't file with letters, if they didn't fix it when we start sending the letters as well, then we got our consumer attorneys involved, and lawsuits were filed and cases were won. And they never brought up, well, hey, your client did an online dispute. They lost their right. They never said that to any one of my clients. Now, I've had hundreds of clients down through the years. They never told any of our attorneys, your client can't sue. You can't sue them on their behalf because they did an online dispute. I'm telling you, kill that nonsense. That is so untrue when you do online disputes the right way. That is through the credit bureau's website, not third party, but the credit bureau's website. So I hope, again, I've said something to encourage you. You're listening to The Credit Doctor. This is the Credit Repair Show, of course, live here, whether you're watching this on a replay, live here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to these videos. Let me know how you like the videos or enjoy the video. Hit the like button. Definitely hit the like button. Right? If you come in and you think the information is good, hit that like button. I want you guys to be interactive with me. Right, because we're going to keep these videos coming. We're going to keep them coming until you guys start coming in the chat room and talking to me and asking me questions. We're definitely going to keep these videos coming. All right, so I appreciate you guys. Again, as we always close, we tell you guys to stay blessed. Whatever you do, stay blessed. But what's even more important is that you are a blessing. And with that, we always say, have a blessed day.